So you finished creating this amazing logo for your customer and you want to present it on a box, a mug, or maybe a flag. You can do so now with the new Illustrator 2024 Mockup Tool. Let's check it out. So let's say this is my logo and I want to mock up this logo on that box. You start with Window and you look for the Mockup tool, which is currently in beta. As you can see, it'll show you some other images, mockup images. These are on Adobe stock. These are premium images that you can buy directly from Adobe. In my case here, I have my own image. You simply take the logo and select the box and click Mockup. And a few seconds later, it will add this logo on the box. And using the selection tool, I could move the logo on the surface of that box. You can move it anywhere you want. And if I want to match the shading and shadows of that box, you can just play around with the transparencies. This works well. Let's move on to the flag. It's basically the same thing, but this here is a cloth. So let's see how this will look. And there you go. You could also move the logo anywhere you want on the surface of that flag. And to make it look more realistic, let's change the transparencies here. Let's try overlay. Let's try hard light. Multiply. Okay, this looks good. So this will be the end of our video today. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.